In this video, we will show you how to use Array on Outline in order to decorate outline objects.
Select any object on which you want to apply Array.
If you go to Properties, you will see that there is also a special type called Array. Using this type, you can decorate the outline of the object with a design part or a Clipart item. Once you click on the array, the Clipart library appears for you to select any Clipart you want to use. Go through the Clipart library to find the artwork you like. Let's choose a starfish. Once you select the item, click Insert. Now you need to click and drag to define the size and the orientation of the inserted Clipart. The starfish is now placed multiple times on the shape's outline. You may also use any part of your design to decorate outline objects. Select any design part to be used as base object. Then, select the outline object and click on Array Type from the Properties. The selected object is now on the outline of the bigger object. You can also use the array from the Create Outline from Shapes option on the right-click menu, or the same option from the Convert button. There are a couple of options which you can further adjust. Using Offset, you may place the copies to the inner or the outer part of the object.
The offset parameter specifies the distance between the outline and the center of the repeated object.
Using Item Rotation, you can rotate the copies on the outline. You may also adjust the spacing between them.
As the software adapts the distribution of the elements automatically, the resulting spacing may not always be mathematically exact. At any point, you can reset properties to their defaults.
Another very interesting option is the combination with cloned objects. If Add New Object as Clones is enabled while creating the array, then you can edit the outline of the base object and all the array copies are affected as well. For any object with array applied, you can come back anytime and change its properties. But if you want to make manual changes to specific parts on the array or handle them individually, you can choose the Separate to Objects option. Now, the drop parts are no longer parts of the array, they are individual objects. You only need to ungroup them before you proceed with editing. Enjoy creating!